Hey guys, I just want to do a quick unboxing for you of this VIVOSUN AeroWave grow tent fan. So let me just quickly go ahead and open it up for you. So I've been growing in indoor grow tents for about 6 years now, and I've used some of the desk fans, and they don't really work out so great. They can serve their purpose and they're okay, but I know these pole clip fans can do a lot better. So first, show you the clip. It's a nice feeling clip, has their logo there. It feels nice and sturdy, so it feels like it would hold onto the pole nice. I like how they have their knob here, so that's cool. Pull this out. Get this out of the way. Okay, so I think this is the USB-C cable that you can use if you want to use the VIVOSUN controller. I don't have that, but it comes with it. What else is this? Okay, so these are, looks like some kind of cable ties there, so you can have your cables neat. This is, okay, so this is the clip or the screw-on bolt to attach the fan. And then, like, we have the fan itself. So rip that open. Okay. All right, so the fan itself, so holding the fan, the plastic feels pretty nice on it. He said it feels good compared to some of the other ones I've used. Just go ahead and check it out real quick to see how it clips on here. So it's like you'll turn it this way so you can clip it onto your grow tent poles. And then grab your bolt here, tighten it in. And I mean, looks like really that's it. Like I said, the clip feels nice. I'll probably do another video showing the use of it, but so far, I mean, like I said, I've used several different types of fans, and overall the quality of this one feels really nice.